Hey everybody, welcome into Farm Cooking with Nan. We're out on the porch and I'm going to be repotting some couple of my house plants, and just wanted you all to see what I was going to do. I've got a aloe vera plant here, and I watered it just a little bit, and I'm going to take it out and set it right there. My Thanksgiving my Thanksgiving cactus. First of all, I'm going to put some rocks in the bottom of my, if you see some gum in my mouth today, it's because my mouth's been so dry, and sometimes when it gets like that, I just have to, I'm going to take out, wait a minute, in the bottom of my container is a little rubber thing. I don't want the water held in there. I want the water to be able to be drained, you know. So I'm just going to put some rocks out of the driveway. And it's so shiny out here. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm really doing. Maybe there you can. I've got some Miracle Grow potting mix here. Now, see, this you could set it right down in there. It's that much smaller. So I don't want to go too awful much larger. See all the rocks I've got in the bottom of that? I don't want to go too awful much more because those roots like to have a home, as I say. Those roots like to have a home, and they like to feel like that they're not just out there piddling around and don't have anything to, let me see, because I want to keep this about even with the top of my, maybe just a tad bit lower, but that's what I want to do right there. Now, this plant has always tended to go over to the far end, you know? Say, Nan, how come you're not wearing gloves? It's because I just didn't want to. I can always wash my hands, you know? I'm hoping to get this thing to lay over a little bit to where it's not going all to one side. It's done that ever since I bought this plant. I'm going to press that down in there real good. Try to straighten it up a little bit. Just amazing how come it grew to one side. Tom is laying right under, and the dirt is falling on you, Tom. Move your big tail before I step on it. I'm telling you, if that cat follows me every step, he's worse than a dog. Okay. Now, I didn't bury it any deeper. I just pushed with my hands down in the sides to give it a little bit more room. I might put just a little bit more. Tom didn't even move. Guess he's wondering what I'm doing. Just pushing that in around there. Okay. After I finish, oh, that's heavy, I will water it. Oh Lord, help my back. Had a bad week for my back. Whew. I have. I'm going to go ahead and leave these rocks that are down in here. You can see. I'm going to put some of my mix down in there. Press it down into those rocks. Let's see. Yep, that's going to be about perfect. Push it down in there. Not the plant, I'm pushing around the outside. See? Y'all getting your plants all done up for the winter months? And it won't be long here until we have to, it'll be time to bring our plants in for the winter. I know this one's going to be thankful that it got some extra loving and a bigger pot. I know it will. I just take a piece of crockery, or you can even take a tin, you know, a pie pan or whatever, and put that under your plants. And when you water them, it catches the water that comes out the bottom. This one's gonna get to growing good, I hope. It was a little tiny thing, but this summer outside, it's really done its thing. It's really wanted to grow. Okay, looky there. I'm so thrilled. I'm so thrilled. Oh, mercy. Well, I'm going to go. Just want to tell y'all that I love you. I appreciate you coming out with me today and spending a little time. We will try to do another outdoor video when I get ready to take my geraniums in. This year, my geraniums have done extra good, and they're huge. And I'm gonna have to take off a lot of leaves and get them ready to go into the basement. But I haven't really had to buy any geraniums in about, it's either 7 or 8 years. I about lost count. But definitely that's a plus, because you know as well as I know, geraniums they're expensive, and they bloom until late frost, don't they? I mean, I love them because they just keep on blooming and keep on blooming. I have to get my broom out here, and I will clean this mess up. Clean this mess up. Well, I'm going to go, and I want you to know how much the good Lord loves you. I hope you're out enjoying this beautiful this beautiful day. The sun is shining so pretty, and the sky's so blue. And I just think to myself, oh, the leaves are already changing. The leaves are everywhere. I sweep a dozen times a day, and we blow the deck off, and in about 30 minutes it's full again. So I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope you never ever forget how much the good Lord loves you. And we need to bloom where we're planted, don't we? Whatever God puts you to doing, do it to the best you can do it. Do it for Him. Okay? I will see you next time. And remember how much that I love you and how much the Lord loves you, okay? See you next time, Lord willing. One more thing that I was just going to tell you is that I'm going to water these really good with a good little dose of Miracle Grow. And that'll probably be the last time I water them until they're put up. I don't know if I'll give them any more Miracle Grow during the winter season or not. But I'm going to give them a good dose of Miracle Grow. That'll help them. Okay. I was going to tell you one little thing here before I go, is that I'm going to water them really good. I'm going to water them real good with some Miracle Grow and water. And that'll probably be the last time that I fertilize them this fall. I won't be fertilizing them anymore. So just wanted to let you know that. That's one more thing I do before I take them in.